How to enable auto translation on TikTok. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the auto translation feature in your TikTok account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, make sure your app is updated. Head over to Play Store and at the top search bar, type in TikTok. Once you do so, if you see update sign here, tap on update. Once done, open your app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now to enable the auto translation option, tap on 3-bar icon on your top right. Here tap on settings and privacy. Scroll below and under content and display, you will see an option that says language. Tap open it. And here toggle on the option that says always show translations. If you would like to turn it off, then all you have to do is untoggle this button, and when this is turned off, video description and caption will not be translated into your translation language if available. Now, if you would like to change your translation language, you can do that by tapping onto translation language. It is set to English by default, but you can choose any language that you would like. Once done, tap onto done. And just like so, this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.